We're going to begin slope. We've already had slope before, but we're going to discuss it again. Slope is the ratio of the vertical change of a horizontal change between 2 points on a line. The variable used to represent slope is an m. M means slope. Now, to tell whether a slope is either positive or negative, zero or undefined, we think about looking at the number line at the front of the room. The positives are on the right-hand side, the negatives are on the left-hand side. So when you have a slope, and as it's rising up to the left, that slope is negative. If you have a slope, and as you're rising up, it's going towards the positive, then it's positive. If you have a slope that's not, as it's rising up, it's just going straight up, we have slope is the rise over the run. This has lots of rise. It has zero run. We cannot divide by zero. So we say this has an undefined slope. We don't have a slope here. It's undefined. This one, because it's going up, as we're going up, we're rising up to the left, which is the negative. This one, as we're rising up, it is going up towards the positive side of the number line. Now we're also going to just take some lines and find their slope by looking at them and drawing some things in it. This, we have rise. We don't have any rise. This is just going horizontal. Horizontal, that's a good idea. I've never thought of it. Horizontal has an O in it. Rise over run, it has no rise. It has lots of run. So 0 divided by anything is 0. Horizontal is 0. Horizontal is the only word there that has a O in it. As we're doing this right here, you pick 2 points on your line that goes through the crosshairs. Now, when I'm talking about crosshairs, your graph is blocked off in these little squares. Where those those lines connect, that is called a crosshairs. So you want to pick 2 points on your line that are going directly through those crosshairs. On this one, I chose this one and this one. You're going to draw a box that goes down this line and over to this line till they meet. You could do that over on this side too. It doesn't matter. Now, how far is this? This is 2 boxes. How far is this? This is 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes. Our rise is 2. Our run is 4. It's going positive, so it's a positive 2/4 rise. Be sure you put this into your calculator with your ABC key, and it needs to stay in fraction form. Do not put it in a mixed number. So if you put it in as 2ABC4, you will get 1/2. If you put like 3/2 into your calculator, you're going to get 1 1/2. Just hit the second and ABC button again, and it will turn back into 3/2. On this one, we have a line. It's rising. Here is where the crosshairs are. Here's another crosshairs. We are going to go down this line of the graph. We're going to go across this line till they meet. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, or 4 intersections if you were driving with your car. Then it would be over 2. Now this slope has a negative. Now be sure you get that negative on that. Now there's 2 ways you can think of this. If I were going this way, I'm going down 4 or -4. If I'm going this way, I'm going +2. Or if I went from this point to this point, I'm going in a -2 direction and up a +4 direction. Either way that I write this, I would have a -2 for my slope. Now I'm going to give you some pages that you're going to be doing this kind of slope on. And I'm also going to give you this paper. Now on this paper, it asks for you to tell whether you have a positive, a negative, a 0, or undefined. Please circle whether this is positive or 0, or highlight it if you'd like to highlight. Just circle those or highlight which one you choose. And that is basically all we're going to do today on slope. Thank you very much.